For Strength Will Rise, the time has come upon us at the end of this month where your balances are due. So make sure you get your monies in for that weekend and talk to Heather if you have any issues with that. She'll be there to help you. And just some more news. Here's a sample t-shirt for the Strength Will Rise t-shirts. You can still order yours here in the foyer after the service. So do get in with that ASAP because they look good. And that's all for Strength Will Rise. So make sure that you check it out on the website because we do have a few spaces left actually. If you want to come for the day or for the weekend, there's a few spaces. So do come and talk to one of the team to get more info on that.
There's power in our togetherness, maybe above and beyond what any of us had yet imagined. Come and join us and be part of something powerful together.
Now we are held together by your love, in the mystery of love.
You are invited to gather together with thousands of other Christians from right across the Black Country to begin to reimagine our future together.
And celebrating together the beautiful things that God is doing in our region.
We are together.
Joined Excel Church and have been here a few times, and we'd love to get to know you a bit more. So we've got a welcome Zoom call happening on Thursday the 27th of April at 8 p.m. and we'd love to get to know you and kind of introduce who we are as well to you. So if you want to join that Zoom call, you can sign up on our website or speak to one of the team and we'll make sure we get you signed up. So that's for any newcomers who have recently joined Excel Church. Don't forget, this week is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday, so make sure you come along at 7:30 to join us for that. And this is your final week to get that racism survey filled in if you'd like to. So just head to our website, excelchurch.org.uk/racism, or pick up a copy in the foyer after the service today. It's your final week to sort that out. So that's all for Excel News. Have a great week, guys.